Hi guys, welcome back to Success Corner. We are here with daily chemistry MCQs. Today we are going to start with thermodynamics. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Question 1. In an isothermal expansion of an ideal gas, the work done is equal to. So as it is an ideal gas and an isothermal expansion, the work done will be equal to the heat absorbed by the system. So the correct answer is option 2. Question 2. Which of the following is correct option for free expansion of an ideal gas under adiabatic condition? So as it is given that it is adiabatic condition and it is a free expansion, therefore Q will be equal to 0, delta T will also be equal to 0 and work done will also be equal to 0. So the correct answer is option 4. Question 3. Which of the following reaction is expected never to be spontaneous? Now we know that delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. So if delta H is always positive and delta S is always negative, then for any value of delta H and delta S, delta G will always be positive, therefore it will never be spontaneous. So this condition can be seen in option 4. So the correct answer is option 4. Question 4. 2 moles of an ideal gas at 27 degrees expands isothermally and reversibly from a volume of 4 liters to 40 liters. The work done in kilojoules by the gas is. Now for isothermal reversible expansion, work done is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. So when we substitute the values for each term, we get minus 11.488 kilojoules. So the correct answer is option 2. Question 5. For the reaction FeCO3 gives FeO plus CO2, delta H is 82.8 kilojoules at 25 degrees. What is delta E at 25 degrees? Now we know that delta H is equal to delta E plus delta NGRT. So when we substitute the values for delta NGRT and we have to convert it to kilojoules, therefore we'll divide it by 1000. And when we subtract it with 82.8, we get 80.32 kilojoules. So delta E is equal to 80.32 kilojoules. So the correct answer is option 2. Question 6. Which of the following will have zero standard molar enthalpy of formation? So the correct answer will be option 1, that is phosphorus in solid state. So the correct answer is option 1. Question 7. For the reaction 2Cl gives Cl2 gas, what are the signs of delta H and delta S? So for this case, both delta H and delta S will be negative, that is less than 0. So the correct answer is option 2. Question 8. Sodium gives sodium gas. The heat of reaction is called as. So in this case, it is both option 2 and 3, that is heat of atomization and heat of sublimation. Heat of atomization is equal to heat of sublimation when a solid goes to gaseous state but the gas is monoatomic. So in this case, these two will be the same. So the correct answer is option 4. Question 9. Out of the following, which is not the set of intensive properties? So you know that volume, area and length are not intensive properties. So the correct answer is option 2. Question 10. Consider the following chemical reactions. 1. CaC2 plus 2H2O gives CaOH whole twice plus C2H2. 2. CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. And 3. 2Fe plus 3H2O gives Fe2O3 plus 3H2. So work done by the system in the case of. So we have to find work done by the system is in which case. So we know that given the reactions 1 and 2 will in this work is done by the system. So the correct answer will be option 1. These were today's MCQs. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.